Okay, Under the Wings 82, part 4 here. July 13th, continued, 2026. Well, after doing, take a wild guess, several hundred fine pointed dots, I found myself going dotty. That's older English slang. Anyways, then I did some gestural lines here, and a little bit more abstract around the eyeglasses, mainly because this photograph is not the photograph I did the pencil drawing from. Anyway, but that's okay, I'll work it out. Look at my pen nibs. Get some more ink. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Love your feedback. Let's be okay. Oh, I think I need to get some more ink here. Oh, Dr. Chi, you really perked up with this song by John Denver. Very nice. Yeah, bravo, bravo. They usually like women singers, because I think it's the higher, can't think of the right musical term, higher pitch, but she's really taken a liking to John Denver here. Cool. Okay, that's enough for right now.